Hi everyone. Today, I'm excited to present a review of the BRPOM car jump starter, a compact yet powerful device that can make a difference in roadside emergency situations. Let's start by talking about its key features. This car jump starter boasts an impressive 21,800 mAh capacity, meaning it can jump start gasoline and diesel vehicles in an instant. No more relying on other drivers or waiting for a tow truck. Its compact design allows you to carry it in the glove compartment or your backpack, making it an essential travel companion. Additionally, it comes with a built-in LED flashlight that can be handy in low-light situations. Safety is a priority, and the BRPOM includes protection against overloads, short circuits, and reverse polarity, providing you with peace of mind when using it. Operation is straightforward. Just connect it to your car's battery following the instructions, and it'll be ready to jump-start your vehicle. In summary, the BRPOM car jump starter is a reliable device that all drivers should consider having in their emergency kit. It will get you out of tight spots during critical moments. You can find more information and the purchase link in the video description. Thanks for joining us in this review. Find the link to buy it in the video description.